Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how you can use different AI tools with free quota in a complex project where multiple microservices are there and they are uh, connected with each other, and we have to switch between different microservices for coding, right? So one general problem so far I have seen that people struggle in maintaining, especially in with free quota, uh, when people switch between different AI tools, when free quota get adjust, like say at Gemini, the quota is finished for today. Then certainly we'll be switching to Copilot or Open Codex or something else, right? So in that case, what happens? The code that has been generated by Gemini, okay, wouldn't be identified by Copilot very easily if you don't do anything. I mean, few things, right? A few changes in your project. So to save that, to remove this problem, and this is very general problem, like people those who are very new or not in of IT field, or those who are doing vibe coding and all, right? So they usually feel this face this problem. So I'm going to show you, I have created a sample project just to demo this. I'm going to show you how you can do get out of this problem. One thing is very common that I will say, the moment you a free quota get reached of Gemini or any of AI tool, first of all, when you're uh, switching to say Copilot or so, before that you do a clear chat, okay? And then when we are going to Copilot, apply their new chat prompt. So a new chat prompt applies whatever, like say in Copilot earlier, whatever code changes you have done, right? And that prior to that you had to use some other tool, that context switching will be removed. Okay, so this is a what will happen, a phrase context will be loaded for you for Copilot, and then it will be easy for Copilot to look at your code and find the solution for whatever work you are doing. Okay, this is very naive solution, but if you move little further and learn various concepts, I'm purposely not uh, 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 sharing that complex concepts because you will be confused. So I believe in very simple steps. So first of all, you try very basic steps, like even like sometime you can write like, hey, I just switched from Gemini and I mean some other tool and to this, what all I need to do. So Copilot will automatically guide you, or Codex will automatically guide you, like, hey, these are the steps that you need to inform me, or these are the information that you need to inform me to move further from here, right? So let's move, like what are the standard steps we should be doing. Very first step, that you should be creating a knowledge. Okay, so knowledge of that project or that microservices, whatever work you are doing. If you give the design, API specs, database design, architecture, and you don't have to write from you write from you don't have to prepare these details. Simply give prompts, and these tools will be automatically create for you, and they will, nowadays, like auto accept and accept options are there, just use that. Okay, these MD files will be created, this knowledge file will be created in your project, and whatever, whenever you switch, ask that tool to look at these folders, this knowledge, and based on that they will pick. So, but these are very generic information they have, right? In next, like whatever code changes you have done, that information is not available here. So try to, next what we'll do, we'll try to uh, keep a log of that or some kind of information, that so that whatever work so far has been done should be learned by next AI tool. Okay, so let's go, let's do that now. So here you can see here that I have created a context.md file. Okay, and it talks like what are the technology stack and all, like there is a very high level things that has been mentioned. But if you go next, you can see here that when I'm changing, I'm creating a handover MD file, and this is telling that which all files and folders, which are changes we have done so far, and it is telling the Java file as well. So what happens, say this has been done by Gemini, right, and we are switching to Copilot. So at that moment Copilot will look at this file. You can tell Copilot that, hey, look at that AI under handover.md file where I have the details from the previous session by AI tool. Then it will look at this and start working. Based on this, it will take prepare the context in memory, and then it will start working. Okay, so this is handover. Next is, you can create a checkpoint like this. Okay, so what happened, like you can see here that a very detailed commit history has been written, right? So this should be done. What happen when Copilot will start picking up after Gemini session? So Copilot will look at this, and you can tell, like, look at the commit history or a specific commit, and from there onward Copilot will pick up. So basically what we are doing, we are preparing a safe place, a safe log for from a previous session. Okay, so if you have proper accurate information from previous session, to the next for next tool will be very easily pick up whatever changes so far we have done in the previous session. So we should be basically we should be having a very proper logs of the works that has been done in previous sessions, and based on that the new Copilot new AI tool will pick up the task and will do the proper coding for you, right? And these are the few basic few approach we can apply, and with that we'll be able to switch very easily between different AI tools. Okay, and it will save a lot of money. You don't need to pay, for your POCs and all, you don't have to pay these tools. Okay, try first with free versions, learn a lot, and then if required only then you pay.